This video will help you save time by automatically generating a number series for large sets of data. Choosing increments. Type the number that you want to start the series with. Figure out the increment for your number series. For example, if you want cells to increase by the same increment, then type 2 numbers with that increment. If you want the number series to increase by increments of 2, you will type 2, then 4. Drag the cursor down. Using the fill handle. Now, write the first few numbers of your series in adjacent cells. Click and hold to highlight all the cells with your numbers. Left-click on your mouse while hovering your cursor over the plus sign. Drag the cursor down. Excel will automatically create a number series for as long as you drag your cursor. Using a formula. In a cell, type equals row. This formula should generate the first number in your series. Select the fill handle on the bottom right of the cell and drag down. This same trick also allows you to count up by days. Type a date in any recognizable format. Drag the fill handle to the adjacent cells, and it will add the days as you go. You can also use the fill button. Type the number that you want to start the series with. Click and hold to highlight all the cells. Click the fill button. Select series. Click linear, columns, and step value of 1. Click OK. Excel will automatically create a number series. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.